how long it takes me to get to work on these other e-bikes. I'm definitely going to be doing videos in the future, so smash the like button. Today's test is going to be the Ariel Rider. I want to see if this bike is going to get to my work faster than taking my car. But before we do that, we need a baseline test. So we need to take our car, go to work, and we need to see what our time is going to be before we take the Ariel Rider out. So let's go do that right now. All right, we're starting the timer on the car. Let's see how long it takes my car to get to work from my driveway, just like we're doing the e-bikes. And let's get a baseline test to see if our e-bikes are faster than the car. Let's start this and go. About to pull up. I'm gonna stop it as soon as we park. All right, 12 minutes and 5 seconds. So that's the baseline that we have for driving our car to work. Now we can see how our e-bikes do. Okay, now we're off. Try to go as fast as we possibly can. I know this thing is definitely going to beat the Super 73, that's for sure. So everyone always asks me every single day. I think I get asked it 2 or 3 times a day, and that's what is the best bike to get? And I keep telling you guys it's the Sur-Ron. Like, if you guys just get the Sur-Ron, okay. This lady's just chilling. The thing with the Sur-Ron though is you need pedals on it to actually be considered an electric bike, so just keep that in mind. If you want a true electric bike, that just kind of depends on you. I haven't really found the perfect electric bike for me that's a true electric bike. I would say the Super 73 is damn close. It's just missing the power. But anyways, we're gonna stop talking about that. Thanks to all you guys in the comments too for letting me know that you could turn this headlight on by holding the down button. I believe that's what someone said. And that's super useful because I didn't know you could do that. So I don't have a manual or anything like that. When I went on the website, it wasn't working. The website was like down for the manuals. But anyways, that's cool to know. Thanks for that information, guys. People, we are trying to go places. I'm trying to make it as fast as possible, so I'll do what I gotta do, but safely, you know. It's a race against the clock. Remember, I'm gonna have to take the same way. We're only 7 minutes in, and we're probably halfway or close, closer than halfway. Woo, that bump! I hate that bump. I wish I had a NOS button. Just hit it. Just. That'd be cool. Like a computer scrambler. Get that extra power up top. We don't stop. We don't need to stop. Unless the news channel's around or the cops, we don't have to stop for nothing. We are in a rush. We don't have time to be waiting. We're at a little bit over 9 minutes. 9 9 minutes so far. See, that's how you do it. Just roll the stop. Still making good time though. As soon as we hit the front door, that's gonna be our time. Perfect timing. Love it. Come on, people. We're on a timer here. Man, figure out where you want to go. All right, 12 minutes, 35 seconds. Not too bad at all. Not too bad at all. What's up? What's going on?
Picking the load, Janu.
Nice. I was timing myself how long it took me to get here from when I left my house.
How long?
12 minutes and 25 seconds. Dead. All right, we're gonna time ourselves at night how long it takes to get back. Need to dim this a little bit, it's kind of bright. There we go, there we go. Cool. No one hit me. No one hit me. Man, it smells like someone's clutch. All right, let's get out of here and go home. I got my timer going. Let's see how long it takes. We're already at 1 minute. Again, we don't wait at lights, so we're going through this. Forget all that. Did we stop for this? No, we don't. We keep going. Who was that? Alright, we're gonna take the same way. All we have is this straightaway to go, that's it. We're almost there. I wanna say I think we're close to beating our record going to work. Back and time 12 minutes 13 seconds. We beat our other record. Yes, that's awesome. That is freaking awesome. All right, guys, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. I appreciate all you guys. And obviously our bike did not beat the car to work, but it was very, very close. I wanted to do 2 tests. That's why I did one during the day when there's a little bit more traffic, and that's why I did one at night when there was less traffic. And surprisingly, it was very, very close coming home at nighttime compared to during the daytime. But regardless, what we were like few couple seconds off, it was less than a minute. But anyways, it was fun. It was definitely fun to do this video, so hopefully you guys appreciate it. And stick around because I have all these bikes to do too. We're gonna do the Onyx, if we still have it, because I have a lot of people hitting me up about buying this bike. We're definitely going to be doing the Sur-Ron. 100% we're going to be doing the Sur-Ron. And then we're going to be doing this one shortly after that. But I think the Sur-Ron might be coming next, but we'll see. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate all of you. And hit the like button down below. Subscribe if you can. Trying to get to 5,000 by the end of September. And I would like to try to hit, I don't know, 8,000 to 10,000 by the end of this year. I did say it was going to be 10,000, but it looks like we might not reach that because it's kind of a far stretch of a reach. But, see what we can do. So appreciate all you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later, guys.